Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, Empty Paradise's Cars and Collectibles. So today's video, we're going to be opening some really cool cars. We have a bunch of Hot Wheels Go Karts. Not only are we going to open them, but we're also going to race them. Before we get started in that, I do want to remind you guys, I do have a merch store, and if you guys go down, click the link in the description down below, you guys can go check it out. I have a bunch of Hot Wheels, a bunch of other car-related products, a bunch of Hot Wheel mainline premium, RLC, as well as some monster trucks. But I'm currently doing a giveaway on my merch store, giving away this Hot Wheels RLC custom fleet side. That thing looks really cool there, and even has like the little window there in the back. You guys can see it. This car could be yours. Go check it out. Link in the description down below. When you guys hop on my merch store, make a purchase, you guys automatically get entered into the giveaway. It goes until February 29th, so definitely go check it out. Link in the description down below. But let's go ahead and get started with opening up all these go-karts. And starting off with the 1998 first editions. And it kind of breaks my heart a little bit to open these up, but a lot of these are like really beat up. And honestly, I really want to have them on the Hot Wheels 6-lane raceway. So why not open them up and let's go ahead and do that and race them. All right, there's some extra packaging for them to sit in. But this one starting off looks really cool. It's all green, has a little M3 engineering, or I guess MJ engineering on the side. And I think that looks really cool. Bright green. I don't even know how these are going to work on the 6-lane raceway, but we are definitely going to find that out. Next up, we have a 2008 All-Stars, which looks really cool. Nice, kind of a metallic green on there. And there we go. It even says Go-Kart there on the side. And I really do like that shade of green. It looks really nice. And even the bottoms and all these, I believe it's all like one-piece metal, and then all the accessories on it are just kind of mounted on top. And these are actually really cool looking. And the construction on these is really interesting. But they're pretty much like all metal too. Next up we have this really cool yellow with the blue seats. And I'm not sure when the majority of these came out, but man, look at that. That looks really cool with that kind of yellow color. And then on the side has a little pattern with a little Hot Wheels logo and a little number 1 right there. And then on the front actually has some text. Brandon Racing. Okay. And next up we have this really cool one. It looks like black with some gold accents. Alright. That looks really cool. It's like black and has like a little checkered flag with a gold flame. And then it even has some like little decals there on the front as well. White C. I think it looks pretty cool. And then next up we have, I guess this is probably the newest, no, maybe not the newest one, but pretty newer where it actually has like the picture of the car on the card. It's from a 2012 set, which I think looks pretty cool. Go ahead and bust this open as well. All right. And I think that looks really cool. This one also has a number 1 there on the side, but there's a little pattern there. And then next up we have a purple one. So this is like a dark purple with some like silver accents. If you guys were curious, whenever I do open these, they actually have like a little like plastic tray that the go-kart sits in, so they're not banging around inside the little plastic there. But I think it looks really cool, like that dark purple with like all the little silver decals and stuff up on the sides and down the side, and even there on the front end. And this one has a number 6. All right, now let's move on to the orange one we have. This package is actually pretty gross. I don't know if like something spilled on it or what, but I got a really good deal on a lot of these, so I'm not really too worried about opening them up. But that is really nice. It's all orange and has all those silver kind of decals there on it. It has the number 6, actually the same theme as the purple one with the same number, just different colors. Kind of wish they would have did like a different number on that one, but oh well. And next up we have a really cool one from the 2007 All-Stars. Let's go ahead and bust that open. And I really like the color on this one. It's like almost like a metallic kind of green color. You can see it there better on the bottom. So it's like a really nice green. And this still has like some decals. Got the number 3 there on the side. And some decals there in the front. A little bit of black accent. But that looks really cool. Alright, so now we're going to get to opening up some really cool special ones. We have 4 of these. They are the Hot Wheel Classics, and this is a really cool kind of collector set. So I feel kind of bad opening them. They do have, so it's die-cast body and chassis, special paint, and limited edition. Yeah, we're just going to go ahead and open these. And once we are able to open them, we can enjoy them on the 6-lane raceway and make some really cool videos coming up. But boom, that looks really cool. It's like a metallic green. Oop, there's the bottom. You can see it reflecting a lot better. That is a really cool paint on that. Number 6 right there on the front has like the number 6 there on the side. Even has like some subtle flames. I did notice like the seat on this is like pretty wobbly, so I think we're still safe with it not coming off. But boom, I really like the paint color on these. Next up, we have essentially the same thing, but in like a metallic yellow color. And bam, that looks really good as well. It's kind of like a metallic yellow with like a hint of green. And this one even has like a little red ring around the tire. So I'm excited to be able to race these in some upcoming races. And then we got 2 more of these. We have, I guess this is more of like an orange color. It's kind of like a dark orange. I really wanted to get the red one, but the seller where I got these ones from had already sold out of the red. And I'm not sure if there's any other color variants. But I will keep an eye out for some future races because it would be really cool to get all the different color variants of this. And yeah, it's like a nice kind of orange color. It's like a deep orange. I think it looks really, really good. You can kind of see the numbers a lot, or the flames a lot better on the side of this one. And the final car for opening up in this video is the same one, but in blue. Alright. And that's actually not just like a regular blue. It has like a slight hint of like green or like turquoise in it. There's the bottom. I think it looks really good. The flames look really nice on the side of this one since they're really like bold contrasting colors. And same with like all these have a little number on the front, number on the side with the flames. And this one also has the red ring around the tire. But now we have all 12 of these opened up. We're going to go ahead and I guess I'll probably split it down the middle and do 6 versus 6. We're going to do one race with all these and then another race with all these ones. And then we're going to do a final race, final 2 cars kind of head to head and see which one of all these go-karts is the fastest on the 6-lane raceway. But let's go ahead and move over to that. All right, so I have all the cars lined up right here, and these actually look really, really cool. They are super tiny and just barely take up like half that lane. But we're going to go ahead and do this first race and find out which one of these is the winner. I'm not really sure how well these are going to work on the 6-lane raceway, but we're definitely going to find out together. But let's go ahead and race these in 3, 2, 1. Alrighty, so the winner of this was actually lane 6, which is one of the classics. And it's like that kind of yellowish green color, which actually looks really cool. So we're going to go ahead and set this one aside. I'll just set it right here. And then we're going to go ahead and clear the track right here and line up the other 6. Alright, so we have the other 6 all lined up and they look really awesome as well. I really like that neon green one. It really stands out. Just kind of pops above that orange background kind of contrast. But wow, let me know which one of these you guys think is going to be the winner. But let's go ahead, race them since now we know they actually do work on the track. Let's go ahead, race them in 3, 2, 1. All right, so lane 4 is the winner, which is actually this yellow one right here. And that one looks really cool. I really like all the designs it has. But the final race, we're going to take these 2, put them head to head, and find out which one of these is the fastest go-kart. All right, so we have them lined up at the top of the track, ready to go. I have them spread out so that they're like kind of like in even lanes. But put down in the comments down below which one of these 2 you guys think is going to be the winner of this race. But let's go ahead and find that out in 3, 2, 1. All right, so the winner is in lane 5, which is the Hot Wheel Classics. And that car looks absolutely amazing. But definitely put down in the comments down below if you guys predicted that. Alright guys, so I think that race was absolutely amazing, and kind of throwing these on the 6-lane raceway is really cool as well. Definitely put down in the comments down below if you guys want to see me race some of these against other cars, like actual Hot Wheel cars, maybe other weird like kind of movie cars, character cars, stuff like that. But this one right there was the winner of the race. So definitely put down in the comments down below if you guys expected that to be the winner or like kind of what you guys think of the whole race. But also, if you guys did like the video, hit that like button, subscribe if you want to see more videos like not only like this, but also daily Hot Wheels shorts with Hot Wheel racing on the 6-Lane Raceway. Every single day I do those, so definitely hit that subscribe button if you guys want to see it. But also, don't forget, giveaway on my merch store going on until February 29th. Link in the description down below. Go check it out, pick up some Hot Wheels, and automatically get entered. But hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already. But as always, thank you for watching.